Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking the piece down so you control every move. Use the beveler size that matches thickness, 1/8 for thin, 1/4 for medium. Hold tool at a shallow angle, draw it toward you with steady pressure. Make light, consistent passes. You remove the corner, not the profile. Once done, repeat until the shoulder is smooth. Keep fingers behind the cutting edge and reposition the clamp if the workpiece shifts. These first cuts set the shape and prevent digging later. Now refine the bevel with purposeful, overlapping strokes to blend the corner into the face. Tilt the tool slightly to change the radius and watch how the edge develops. Rotate the workpiece incrementally so the tool meets the same angle each time. This keeps width uniform. Make 2-3 inspection passes with a gauge or visual reference, then correct high spots with lighter strokes. If imperfections appear, back off pressure and re-establish the profile with controlled cuts until the surface reads clean and continuous. Finish by smoothing the bevel, sand or burnish to eliminate small tool marks and to tighten the edge. Inspect fit or mating surfaces. Make sure the bevel didn't alter critical dimensions or mounting geometry. If you spot a gouge or ripped grain, stop immediately, do not overwork it. Clamp again, trim a small amount around the defect, then recut with lighter passes. Keep consistent angle and pressure to avoid repeating the issue. With patience, the edge will be clean, functional, and repeatable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.